The next step is called Patineta, and it goes like this, from the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's look at it in detail. We start on the diagonal. We raise our leg to the calf for preparation, and then on 1, we start. Spread it, touching the ground, touch, slide on 2, and join on 3. Changing to the other diagonal. Prep, touch, slide together. While we slide, we advance. So one foot slides back, and while the other slides back, the next one advances by a bit. Just like skateboarding. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Prep, touch, slide, advance, together and change direction to the other diagonal. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it together. From the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, prepare. We prepare in one diagonal. On 8 we raise. On 1 we touch. On 2 we slide and advance. And on 3 we change direction to the other diagonal. On 4 we raise. On 5 we touch. On 6 we slide and advance. And on 7 we change the diagonal. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And to the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Patineta. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's try it. Music.
Yeah.